Okay, so I'm going to do a quick video troubleshooting why my trim tilt switch on my Yamaha Binnacle is not fully functional. And what I have is a 704 remote control Yamaha, and the symptoms are that when I select the both up tilt switch, common switch, that only my starboard engine will tilt up but not my port, and when I press the down, then both engines will tilt down. Now both engines work with the individual control switches, and which is good, as well as the trim switch that is located on the engine. So I have a schematic that shows me how my remote control trim switch, common trim switch, works. And according to this schematic, that it looks like the red is the common for both the up and down, and then when I select the up, that contact is made to the blue wire, which comes down and feeds into a relay, and then when I press the down, then it's the green wire that connects to both relays. So what I've done is, in an effort to troubleshoot what's going on my Binnacle, is I found those three wires and I've disconnected from the boat. So now these are just three wires. Red, I've connected to a common, or the negative side of my voltmeter, and then both my up and down I've alligator clipped in to the other wire, and I simply have this set on 200 ohms. So when I see if we can get you guys to see this, but when I press the down, looks like I get about 0.6 ohms, which is actually quite good. So down consistently 0.6, but when I press the up, I'm getting about 3.1 ohms, which could reflect a voltage drop. There's 3.0, and then that's now 3.5. So again, down about 0.6 ohms, which is pretty good, and then up is again 3.6, 3.5. So there's some internal resistance within the switch. What that suggests to me is there is a voltage drop, and looking at our schematic, what we can see is that in the down as well as the up that we come in, this is an isolator diode, is what that symbology is. So this would be the other switch, up and down. This would be starboard, and then port, the individual switch on the Binnacle, that are in effect isolated through these diodes. And here's the diode on the port switch. So it looks to me like what I need to do is buy a new Binnacle switch for both the port and starboard side, and that's probably going to solve my problem. Okay, that's it.